Hi there, this is Jennifer with Lemongrass Spa Products, and I'm doing a review today of our hydrating setting spray, mineral setting spray. And this is the final piece that I put on after I've done all of my makeup. Whether I'm doing just a mommy's makeup where I just kind of throw on a little bit of foundation, some mascara, and maybe some lip gloss, or I'm doing a little bit more extensive. I have a little bit more than that on today where I have full lips and a little bit of a darker eyeshadow on. I want it to stay in place no matter what. So this gives my makeup a little bit of longevity, protects it from the different elements if I'm going outside, that kind of thing. This has green tea, black willow, but the neroli oil is the thing that I love. So we don't have any, like polysorbate 10 used to be the thing that you put in like a liquid like this to keep everything mixed together. We don't want to put that in our products. So they've taken that out. So I do mix these, shake these up. This is the smaller 2 ounce. We also have a larger 4 ounce. This is a different bottle, but it's the same, that's the same size. So this is our hydrating facial mist, but we're talking about the setting spray. So I just put it away from my face and spray away and just do enough to get it to meld all together. I dry it off a little bit, and it just really helps this makeup to last all day long, to help prevent it from caking and things like that. Now I have also put on a primer beforehand. I made sure that my skin was exfoliated and moisturized. So I'm really taking care of my face from beginning to end of the makeup process so that the makeup goes on smoother and lasts longer. But definitely this last step with the setting spray helps tremendously. So send me a message if you have any questions about any of our Sheer Minerals makeup line or with our setting spray.